You're leading.
I don't want to lead.
Okay. All right, I guess I'm doing it.
I believe in you.
I don't. Okay. We are heading out for our first ride around Narrowsburg, heading 3 states hopefully. We are heading out of the campground. Gonna try not to hit some people. And here we go. I've only led one other time on this trip so far, so it is absolutely beautiful out here, and we do not have these roads in Columbus. Maybe more towards the Hocking Hills, I guess? I'm not gonna lie, I'm still pretty nervous on the blind corners with the wind at 60 miles an hour. So we're gonna take some of these rather slow, I think. I'm not a perfect rider. I'm still very proud of myself for even getting here. I'm proud of our group for working together to get here. I'm here riding in Narrowsburg, New York on my motorcycle that got me here. My technique improved in 400 miles. Some of that was through the rain. There were some very scary parts, but overall it was great. Like I said, we worked together as a team and got here. Look at that. So Beth, Gina, and I are doing a route called the Threesome. There are 3 of us. It hits 3 states. Right now we're obviously in New York. It'll go to Pennsylvania and New Jersey. I believe it's 84 miles round trip. So these are definitely the fastest curves I've ever done. They're like 50 miles an hour, 55 miles an hour on the curve. Lots of elevation changes. So we're on our way to the Hawk's Nest. Caught up with a different group. This is not a group we left with, but we haven't made any stops on this route yet. And so I think that we're just catching up with some other people, which will be awesome. Because I'm not entirely sure. I mean, I have directions, but I don't know if I know 100% where I'm going. So I'm just looking for Port Jervis in New Jersey. So when we get there, I guess. This is just so cool. I have never done anything like this, ever. Like, ever. So to do this with a bunch of people, like... Wait, Hawk's Nest Cafe. I took us the right direction. Yay! I was really worried that I was just going in the totally wrong direction, but... Okay, so it definitely slows down through here. A lot of rock slide notices. And that's so pretty. Wow. What? I would be just totally confident to say that this is the coolest thing I think I've ever done in my life. I have wanted to do this. Not this ride, not this trip, but just this type of thing my entire life. And for some reason, there was always some reason why I didn't do it. And I am so happy to be doing it now. I have just a little bit of sadness about the idea that I could have been doing this 15 years ago. And I just didn't. But I'm doing it now, and I'm so happy to be doing it. And I can't wait to get to do more of it. This is Port Jervis. Cool. Beth was pointing out a castle-like funeral home. This is an interestingly sized town. It's real cute though. On our way to High Point. I'm not really sure, honestly, at this point. We see Beth trying to work on some shifting in her seat. The limit's not too crazy through here, but it looks awesome. We're on our way to High Point, which is the highest point in New Jersey. Heyo, yeah. Entering High Point State Park. Here we are. All right, so the lady actually let us in for free, so we're actually gonna go through the park. Wow. That's where we're going. So I am expecting to be able to see just amazing. Oh, wow. 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 Oh, it is windy up here. There's Beth making friends. So Beth is currently riding Gina's Bonneville, and Gina is riding Beth's Harley. We were coming back out of High Point State Park and to find my glasses, my sunglasses, and I definitely ran over them. In that stop, they just wanted to switch bikes. Welcome back to Pennsylvania. I honestly have no idea where we're going. We got so turned around that I am not sure where we are or where we're going. We're going through a place where a lot of bikes are. Looks familiar. Thanks for getting us back on track, Gina. So we are getting back to the campground from our ride today, and I didn't get to film it last time on this lovely gravel. Her bike's probably doing fine. Me and Beth are making it work. Okay. My butt hurts so bad. Okay. All right. Okay, bye. Beth and I are on our way. Beth and I are on our way to the grocery store after walking pretty much back to the restaurant where we had lunch and back and forth and back and forth because I somehow, when I took the Harley demo, lost my